Good morning, welcome to Craft Markets in Mauritius on a Saturday. Hi everyone, we're at Mont Choisy for the locally made craft market. Let's go check it out.
These are quite typical sort of Mauritian products that you will see that are homemade. Oh, this is a mango, a chili mango paste. Wow, I haven't actually seen that before. That's different.
We've come to this craft market in search of pineapple relish. I've heard there's a great one here and hopefully we'll be able to find it.
Okay, so the great Mauritian achars and things. This is like a chili with apple, lemon, the olive. That's gonna be yummy. And then this one I've never heard of. I think this is a massive piece of ginger. No?
It's named Suran.
This is soran, but we still have no ideas. Please let us know what soran is.
Yeah, I don't know. And this I have no idea. Bilambi. The pineapple.
They've got a kids section, but adults can come play, so I'm totally going to come play. There's some Jenga over there. I've got to go try that. Not quite sure what that is.
Hopscotch.
Is that hop? No, that's not hopscotch. Number 5, here we go. Well done, Rick.
Yeah. Soon. Oh, too good.
And dominoes. So I'm going to challenge Riki to some dominoes. You up for it? This is the dominoes and it's Riki's go now. Oh, what you doing? Where we got? We got a 4 there. Double 4ing it. Oh wait, she's 4'd me on both sides. What have I got? Okay, I do have a 4. Luckily I have a 4. And now we are doing it like they do it on the beach, so you have to slam them down a little bit. But I'm not quite sure how to do it one-handed. Oh, that was kind of embarrassing. Out here is actually a jumping castle. The guy said I can come out here and have a look. Yes, I can go in. Apparently I can go in. Oh, it's actually, oh, no shoes. So if you take your shoes off, you can go in and jump. I can jump. Yeah? Into the jumping castle. Actually, adults should do this. It's actually kind of fun. And there's a slide.
And I missed you going down the slide.
I'm not sliding, I got stuck. I'm stuck.
Fade. Yeah, nice.
Everyone, we're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. Please subscribe.
Okay, cool. So I'm with Deshina from I Do Events Agency. I do events. I do events. So you can actually contact her and you can book your own jumping castles and games and decoration and everything for your parties.
Yeah.
Great. Thanks.
Thank you very much.
So this is an actual craft market and it's locally produced. Mostly locally produced stuff.
Crystallized papaya and tamarind and quail eggs. You can get quail eggs in Mauritius.
For those who want to join for the whole adventure, we're looking to what happened to the Mauritius Airlines cabin crew. They're also here somewhere.
They are.
Let's go. It doesn't get more crafty and made in Mauritius than this. Grown in her garden, and then she turns it into these things in her house. I have no idea what an Indian gooseberry is, and they're apparently really, really healthy for you. And I would love to one day try an elephant apple. I think that's an elephant apple.
Goes by the name Chalta. Oh wow, that is so unique. Banana flower achar. And you are Debbie Clifton.
Yes.
She makes it all in her garden.
Yeah, it's such a pleasure to meet you. This is so tasty.
Thank you.
Oh, this is the Indian gooseberries, the Alma, and this is the crystallized form.
Buraba.
Buraba.
Wow, we are learning so many things today. Buraba is crystallized Alma.
Would you like some salt and chili with that?
She put salt and chili, of course.
How it should be.
How it should be. So a little bit of salt and chili.
There is a seed.
Okay, so there is a seed inside.
So,
What do you think of that?
flavor is unbelievably good.
Okay, wow.
So Riki's going to give this Alma. What you thinking? Oh,
So familiar. I'll work it out. Not immediately, but
Riki will figure it out. We got it?
it tastes like crystallized ginger.
Really, but it's sour. Crystallized ginger.
Crystallized with ginger.
Right.
Melon rind.
Melon rind, yes, that's exactly it. Well done, Rick. So I haven't found the pineapple yet.
It's a pineapple.
We're
Oh,
in Mauritius,
banana
we're eating
cake.
Oh, very nice, thank you.
Wrapped bananas.
Semolina biscuit.
So light.
It's like air. Does it taste airy? Awesome.
Right, so these are those fancy biscuits that just melt in your mouth. And banana loaf cake. Wow. And these are the bakers that bake it for you.
Loads of cookies and cakes and things here at the market.
Wow, Mauritius has amazing bakers. So if you're looking for these sorts of products, reach out to the local guys. They need your support. They're baking, they're doing their thing. Reach out and buy local from Mauritius. We got locally produced in Mauritius honey.
Very good.
And
It's very
there's a purple one, but I still don't see any pineapple.
Well, it looks like someone's been to Piton de Milieu. Raspberry. Awesome, raspberries. Do you grow them here?
So we've got some skin products. These are body scrubs in some really tasty flavors. Body butters. All sorts of great things.
This is Candlelight by Jenny Low, and this is the actual Jenny Low. But they haven't discovered essence of beer yet, so your beer candle's going to smell like coffee. But I suppose that's okay. Coffee. Look at it, it actually looks like coffee as well. We've got loads of plants, but still no pineapple relish.
Oh wow, you can even buy azaleas. Beautiful. I suppose they do grow very well here.
Have a look at these unusual pots. They've got such a great form to them. They almost feel like old wood, but I think they're made of concrete.
Ananas! Ananas! That's pineapple! That's pineapple!
Look everyone, we finally found the pineapple relish. I've been looking everywhere, and can you believe it? It was right here, almost at the end. We had to walk the whole length of the place to finally find it. Awesome! Let's try it. I think it might have chili in it. Oh, but it's hot.
Yeah, it is.
Pineapple with chili. Really hot.
Why did I make it that hot? It's so nice and pineapple-y. And then it kills you.
Everyone's laughing at you now. He's getting red, yeah.
So this is citronella. Apparently it's lemongrass, but it will keep the mosquitoes away because it's citronella.
That you're taking internally now.
Take your citronella internally, and it's not hot at all.
Okay, cool.
Go for this one if you don't like hot.
Okay, great.
Now we're on to the
Apple and carrot.
apple and carrot.
Carrot.
But it's also red, so I'm a little bit skeptical.
Yes.
I won't put quite as much as I did on the last one. Fresh green apple. This is the cashew one. And because I like cashews, I'm going to put a little bit extra on.
It is also suspiciously green though.
But it's green, it's not red. Okay, next is the...
Kambala, this is the lemon that's grown in Reunion.
The lemon from Reunion.
Oh, and it's got a beautiful texture to it. Wow.
Oh,
Okay.
Reunion, all the way from Reunion.
Reunion lemons. Nice.
Très bon, très bon. Oh, I'm speaking French now. No, I'm
You're
not.
supposed to say maribon.
My bon, my bon. The last one, tamarind, I'm having a whole biscuit.
Those are really cute little biscuits.
They really are.
Tamarins.
Riki is bravely going for the cashew. I told her to try the pineapple, but she said no. It's nice, eh? Wait until the chili kicks in. Have some pudding, coconut powder. The best way to clear up chili, pudding, coconut powder.
Normally in Mauritius we have two seasons, so winter and summer.
Yeah.
So the chilies during winter, they are like kind of mild.
Yeah, so what he's
Obviously,
saying
this one was a summer one.
is
Hey?
these
Yeah,
chilies
yeah.
are mild.
But
Okay,
if
this
you
was a
taste
summer
this
one.
red chili
Right.
picked from the trees during summer, Yeah, so it's gonna be like
Yeah?
hot like hell.
Right, okay, good, top tip. Thank you.
Stone path. Might not look like it because it's only the short first bit, but you can actually stack them together and make a long path out of it. It's actually made out of concrete, and they also have the little round ones here.
Yeah, and he can make this pattern for you in any one of these other colors as well.
Pattern, a ruffled one, an edged one. So you know these are great because the guy who makes them is actually studying architecture. Awesome, thank you. These are actually bronze.
They are gorgeous. I think he said 2,500 rupees. It is heavy, solid bronze. And they do little dodos as well. These are lovely. Look at this. And you can wash this okay. Wow, that's great. It's actually good, and it's completely handcrafted. Natural manila rope, handmade in Mauritius.
Even though this is Ricky's department, these shoes are made in Mauritius. How do you make shoes?
I don't know. Hi!
So these are the guys that are doing it, and they're actually making it here in Mauritius. This is the macrame, I'm thinking, and this is the basket weaving. Not 100% sure on that, and it's made from this. How do you do that? Top secret. Be nice to them, guys. This is their first market. They normally do it online.
Come and join us.
Okay, so the one Facebook page that I showed you is for these gorgeous little succulents. So you can find out where she's going to be next if you want to come buy these beautiful little succulents. Wow, that's what they look like when they're hanging up.
Oh wow, how lucky did we get? We found the guys. These are the guys from Mauritian Airlines. We got them, and they're doing this awesome stuff that I'll tell you about. But first of all, you see, they are real. I told you they were real.
Yes, please fasten your seatbelts.
Because we're not going on a trip with Lara. Take it.
These are really cool candle makers, and I'll show you why in a second, because they've made the funniest thing I've seen on the market so far. Here it is, super hot woman. Now we're heading towards middle age, and well, when the candle's burning out.
Okay, these are actually the first people in Mauritius using soy wax, so eco-alternative wax.
It's vegan.
And it looks so beautiful and milky white.
You went
guys.
with Apollo on that one. Oh, that's a guy.
Okay, payback. We've also got this one. So it's not just the girls, there's boys as well. Actually, I picked one of these up now. This is glass. It's really cool.
But it's got a funny wick in it.
It's a wooden wick and apparently it sparks.
Oh! It's like making a homemade fireplace in a tiny little thing, and it's vegan, and it's made of wood and glass.
Look at this, this is cake. This is cake. This is like the biggest cake and it's orange and beautiful. And look at these cupcakes. Oh, and another orange cake decorated with like, oh man. I
What's
thought
that?
they looked familiar. This is Le Bouffe Gourmand.
Okay, it's not a red velvet. What is it?
What is it if it's not a red velvet?
Ricky will let us know. All natural colorings.
Orange? Peaches.
Peaches.
Orange jam peaches.
Orange jam peaches. Nice.
It's good.
It's markets like this that make Mauritius. So come support local. I'll put all the details below.
Oh, rocks. Beautiful rocks. Look at these ones. Look at these. Oh, these guys have got a great collection of natural stones. I could name all of these for you, but I won't bore you. It's still making a noise and he stopped.
Yeah.
How did he do that? He must have a...
It's a harmony pot or something.
Oh, he put a thing in it and he energized it. That is so cool. See, it's like...
No, you gotta rub it with the stick. On the outside.
I'm not good at it.
Oh, it's starting. She's just not very good. But it's making the noise. Summer's coming, you guys are going to need to get your shorts and little shirts.
I think these are Sega outfits for kids.
Oh, Sega outfits for kids.
I think so.
Are they really cool though?
Yeah.
So save the date for the 4th of December where we're going to have our Christmas market.
Great.
From 2 to 8. So it's going to be a Christmas by night.
So air plants and succulents, and they're all grown here. So again, guys, if you're looking for getting plants, come and support the local guys.
This is polished concrete, homemade by these guys.
Wow, it's
What
really
beautiful
smooth.
pots. Well, Ricky's wandered off and left me, so I've been left with the jewelry duties. Actually, this jewelry is all made in Mauritius and all made by... There she is, and she makes all this jewelry right here in Mauritius. Here I am doing jewelry again. Oh wait, no, Ricky's right here, so... But I'll take over because I've gotten that good at jewelry. Also handmade by these guys here.
Girls, they're girls.
Guys, so girls by these girls.
And of course, this scrunchies for your hair.
Craft markets in Mauritius, they're a thing. Follow our Facebook page and we'll let you know. Well, anyway, everyone, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.